Awesome strategy to make money online utilizing the power of YouTube Shorts is going to be revealed in this video with a perfect payment proof. So if you are ready, then do press the subscribe button and also do press the like button, because it's gonna be really awesome and you are gonna get so much value out of this video, so that you can practically make some good affiliate commissions for yourself and start earning your first dollar online. And this works all over the world, so don't worry about any country restrictions. So now let's get started into our awesome and juicy video as soon as possible. Guys, this is the payment proof of the strategy which I am going to reveal in this video. You can see I have earned this $85 utilizing this very new strategy. It is really simple and easy way to make money online, and most of you will be able to do it. It's simple and it's really awesome. Okay, so step one, you just need to go to ClickBank and sign up for a ClickBank account. Once you have created a ClickBank account, you just need to go to ClickBank Marketplace, and then you can find all these products which you can promote. Okay, so you just need to select one of the product over here, and then you just need to click on this promote button. Once you click on this promote button and click on this generate hop link, this will generate an affiliate link for you. You just need to copy that hop link. Okay, so that's the simple stuff which you need to do. Okay, it's not at all difficult. All of you and all of the other YouTubers are teaching you this, so you are probably familiar with this. Okay, so this is the step one which you need to do. Step two, you just need to go to YouTube and you have to upload shorts videos with hashtag shorts. It is really important. This is one of the shorts video which I have personally uploaded on my channel. Okay, and this is how it can be done. Okay, so this is a short video which I uploaded on my channel, which is about making passive income. Okay, and now the thing is that you just need to create this type of shorts videos, and you need to provide this affiliate link which we obtained from ClickBank in the description of videos. Okay, and you just have to create a video which is according to the product which is available on ClickBank. Okay, so for example, this is e-marketing and e-business category, so I have to create a video which is related to business or passive income or making money, or that kind of videos will be the most suitable to sell this type of product. Okay, so you can see here a video is made. Okay, and this is my personal channel's video, so I can show you, and after that I will show you how you can make this video yourself. Okay, so let me show the video.
7 Best Online Passive Income Ideas. 1. Selling information products. 2. Rental income. 3. Affiliate marketing. 4. Flip retail products. 5. Peer-to-peer lending. 6. Dividend stocks. 7. Create an app. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome.
So you can see I have provided this affiliate link in the description of this video. Okay, so that's the strategy which you need to utilize in this method. Okay, now to create a video like this, it is really simple and really easy. Okay, so you just need to go to this software which is known as nvideo.io. Okay, now this is the software which is a paid software, but it is really almost $15 every single month, which is really very less expensive. So you can definitely go and try out the software. Okay, a free trial is also available for you, so you can utilize it. Okay, so you just need to come over here and you need to select this text to video. Okay, then you just need to select any of this category. Okay, so I just selected this one. Okay, you just need to select this vertical 16:9 because you are gonna create a short video. Okay, so now you just need to select this template. Okay, and then you just need to click on here. Now here you need to type in 3 ways to earn income. Okay, then you can just write here number 1, start doing a job. Okay, now this is just whatever I am making up for this video. Okay, it's not a script which I am creating. Second one, start a business, and number 3, invest whatever you earn. Okay, so now this is something which I just came up. Okay, don't consider it a serious video, but this is for the tutorial which I'm showing you. Okay, so we wrote just these 3 things. Okay, now you just need to click on this next button. This is a AI based software which is powered by artificial intelligence, so it will create a video automatically for you. Okay, so you don't need to have to worry about all the other stuff. Okay, so you can see this video has been created. 3 ways to earn passive income: start doing a job, start a business, and you can invest whatever you want to earn. Now you can change the images from over here. You can just go to our image section. You can change images and put different images over here. You can go to this video section and you can put videos over here. Okay, if you want to change that. Okay, and that's a simple thing. Okay, so once you have gone to over here, you can now just change the images according to your preference. It's your choice. Okay, then you just need to go to this advanced editor. Okay, now in the advanced editor you just need to click over here and you just need to click on this record voice over, which is really important, because if you utilize automated text to speech, it won't work. Okay, it won't be monetized on YouTube. So, and there are a lot of problems with automated speech. Okay, so I prefer you just need to click on this record voiceover button and you can record a voiceover. It is really simple. Let me show you how you can do it. So you can see once you clicked over here, then you just need to click on this 3 ways to earn income. Okay, got it. So you can see we have already recorded this voiceover. You just need to click on this add. Okay, and your voiceover is being added over here downwards. You can see, okay, this is your voiceover. Now you just need to adjust these clips as per the size of your voiceover. Okay, so now if I play this, you can see it will play with my voiceover. 3 ways to earn income. Okay, you just need to have to reduce the music volume. So go to our music and just reduce it as much as you can. Okay, now you can see, now I haven't given the voiceover to all the slides, just I have provided it to one slide. 3 ways to earn income. So you can see this is how simple it is to create a video with the software and provide your own awesome voiceover on the video, which is really amazing. And once you are done with it, you have provided voiceover to all the slides. You can just click on this download and share button. You can download this video to your computer and upload it on YouTube with hashtag shorts, which is really important. This is the most important hashtag which you have to utilize if you are going to upload this video to YouTube, and it should be less than 1 minute. That is the criteria which you need to fulfill, and after that you can promote your affiliate product just like this. This is one of my just landing page which I have given over here, but you can promote any of the ClickBank product just in the description of your videos, which is really simple, easy, and one of the strategy which I personally use to make money online. You can also utilize this strategy, earn some good money for yourself, and just live a life of freedom. That's what is the best thing in the world. So definitely, if you got some value out of this video, smash the like button as hard as possible, and also smash the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching our awesome video.